Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're at my nook at the house here. And this is the frame that I brought some eggs from the farm, and we're gonna clean up a mess here. We're gonna check them out and see how they're doing. They're supposed to be making queens. Put that right there. This is their feeder. This frame here is just, this up here was just spacer. Wasn't expecting to find a whole lot in here, but we're just going to be able to keep up to my here it is. It's early, people. This here is just a frame with some stores, foundation on it. This one here has got honey on it. And we're going to take it, put it in the extractor with some other stuff today that is running now. We got to get the bees off it first. There we go. Like I say, this is just foundation there. We got 4 frames here in the bottom, so y'all can see. 4 frames here in the bottom. This one here is supposed to have queen cells on it. Take this one and move it over. They're fast stooning on there. No queen cells, but they're building new foundation. Take this one here. Is the one that's supposed to have the queen cell on it. Beautiful day out here today. It's supposed to get wet and windy today. We got between 30-mile-plus wind today and tonight. Today it's going to be in about 11 or 12 miles an hour. This one here has one queen cell that will be hatching here very shortly. It has 2. It has 1 queen cell right down here. Then we got a queen cell. We have a queen cell. They have queen cell right here. Now, they're going to be hatching today or tomorrow. And there's 2 queen cells in here. We may just let them go. If we don't catch them, we won't worry about them. Now, if it was 3 or 4, we would be doing something else. But now I could cut those out, which I might, and put in another queen cell. What we're going to do here, we're going to take this top box off. Seeing how they've kind of gotten used to where they're at. We're going to take this, They have enough pollen in there right now, so I won't have to worry about it. We will give them some more food. There we go. But anyway, that's this hive. This hive is going to be 1,000 because it comes from Eastover. Getting different breed lines in here. They are definitely jumping down on the food. Put their flotation there. And we'll come back later on today, this afternoon, before the wind starts, and do something with them. What we need to do now is get the bees off of here. If I can find me a brush. Okay, Rusty and bees will get home. And we're going to take this one now and put it in the queen excluder, the queen extractor, honey extractor, to kind of balance it out. Hope y'all enjoyed this, but there'll be more on this one. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and we're going to go look at some more. Y'all have a great day. Bye.